Digital signage is rapidly taking the place of print. It can be updated as often as you like, and so fast that it can be used for real-time information. I'm Brian Crotaz. I've spent the last 15 years building digital signage software and projects. You can see my work all over the UK in O2 shops. Here, showing the scores at Lords, for which AMX won an AV award. Here at St Pancras Station, delivering train information, and here at Net-a-Porter on their sales floor, where they show live website data to all their staff. I started my company Silver Curve in 2010. We have a great team of software developers, graphic artists and project managers delivering expert consultancy and custom software to our clients. These include Burger King, Net-a-Porter and CBS Outdoor. So what's stopping more companies and retailers using digital signage? The current drawback is the expense. Every screen has a PC behind it. And on this escalator at Oxford Circus, there are 80 screens and 80 PCs. These PCs are pretty bulky and expensive. A good one like this costs over £600 and uses 70 watts of electricity, which costs £70 a year to run. But this is the Raspberry Pi, a tiny 3-watt computer that only costs £3 a year to run. Our Aperture software can use a Raspberry Pi to replace a PC like this one, and that can save a customer £675 over 5 years. For a typical retail installation of 2,000 screens, that's a saving of £1.4 million. Aperture is designed specifically for digital signage. It can do all the things that top-end PC signage needs to do: HD video, images, graphics driven by data, text effects, and beautiful, smooth animation. It could even work with touchscreens. Aperture works as a bridge between a company's PC software and new hardware such as the Raspberry Pi, or any other hardware for that matter. Bringing together this tiny computer with digital signage is only the first step for our innovative new engine. We're now partnering with lots of hardware companies to build lots of different players around the Pi. And we're working with a range of software companies to give customers a choice of which software to run on them. Any integrated software will be able to run on any of the available players. Aperture is not just an idea. We've already made it work. Here's our first partner's hardware, which they're getting ready to ship to customers. If you'd like to be our next hardware or software partner, taking advantage of Aperture for your clients, contact us now at silvercurve.co.uk.